According to analysts, conducting elections amid the coronavirus pandemic presents a challenge in several African countries, including Ghana. In Ghana, the government faces the triple challenge of maintaining its robust COVID-19 response and ensuring infections do not spike, salvaging its economy, and holding free and fair elections scheduled for December.
When you take a close look at the measures some other countries are having to take, including imposing nighttime curfews and partial lockdowns, declaring state of emergencies, limiting the numbers of people permitted at public gatherings, and mandatorily fining persons for not wearing masks, all in the bid to contain the second wave of the virus, we in Ghana have been spared all these developments and restrictions. We must, thus, be doing something right.
As the country heads to the 2020 general and parliamentary elections on December 7, running mate for the People's Progressive Party, Kofi Assange-Boateng, says the PPP is adopting every step to control spread in its electioneering activities.
We want to take advantage more of the churches, more of community meetings that people have arranged, the associations of hairdressers, artisans and so on and so forth. So that one, you have what we call controlled crowd, instead of running through the market where you have spontaneous jubilation and cheering. And we'll take more advantage of the television, the radio, and social media platforms to propagate our message.
Using technology and a back-to-basics theoretical approach, presidential candidate for the Convention People's Party, Ivor Greenstreet, considers the EC as having a pivotal role in ensuring the spike does not happen as predicted.
Unfortunately, it's a bit late for them to create new polling stations and reduce numbers in existing polling stations. But I'm sure from what I can see from afar and from the discussions we've had at IPAC and other fora, that they will be taking steps to try and ensure that those groupings don't take place, as in the registration process. We also have to ensure, certainly we are, with our own executives at all polling stations, making sure that there's sanitizer available, making sure that we have lots of our own party masks available, and the EC obviously will recognize the importance of cleansing all the devices and making sure they observe those protocols during the voting process itself.
Ghana has not suffered as much as other countries around the world, such as the UK, Germany and the US. The crisis has been well managed by international standards, and the country has even been ranked third in the world for case management after China and Sri Lanka. Experts say stakeholders must play their part effectively to ensure the process of the 2020 elections goes without a new wave of COVID-19.
We are election year, campaigns are going on, and you could observe on the televisions, people go to these gatherings, ignoring these protocols. People don't wear their face masks, and it's dangerous for us. And during the election time, especially in December, where people will be gathering more and jubilating, if you are not careful, the numbers are going to go a little bit higher.
Ultimately, the COVID-19 pandemic will be a crucial test for Africa's governance. Strong and accountable leadership will be required in order to negotiate the COVID-19 crisis wisely, ensuring that responses are designed under the rule of law and the continent's much-praised democratic advancements are not jeopardized by using COVID-19 as an excuse to undermine democratic processes and the will of people in the long run. Nanama Anobempong reporting for GH1 News.